TeslaCare, live with more energy, balance, and health with Terahertz technology. In today's world, more and more people are looking for natural alternatives to improve their health, vitality, and well-being. In a scenario where poor eating habits, stress, and polluted environments directly affect the body, TeslaCare emerges as an innovative solution that acts on what really matters, the cells. The TeslaCare therapy device is a non-invasive device that combines Terahertz technology, quantum energy, and optical crystal, acting deep within the body to reactivate inactive cells, improve microcirculation, relieve stress, and promote energy balance. Its operation is based on terahertz waves, safe for the human body, which stimulate healthy cells and restore the body's natural functioning. This device is effective in unclogging energy channels, providing physical and mental relaxation, eliminating toxins, and regulating the immune system. It can also help condition drinking water, making it even more versatile for everyday use. Tested and certified by renowned scientific institutions, TeslaCare is approved by organizations such as the Beijing Academy of Sciences and has quality assurance and patented technology. It offers 10 main benefits, ranging from body harmonization to cell strengthening. The company responsible for this, Sprite International, has a solid global expansion plan and is committed to bringing this technology to more people, increasing access to preventive health care and comprehensive well-being. If you are looking to restore your health, increase your energy, and live a better quality of life, TeslaCare is for you. Experience the revolution in body care with cutting-edge technology.